This video focuses on how to memorize Thai high consonants. While high consonants are crucial for tone rules, many find them difficult to remember due to their number. In this video, I will introduce a method to memorize them all together using the single sentence Faak, Toong, Kaao, Saan, Hai, Chiang. Let's take a look together. High consonants are one of the consonant classes in the Thai language. They play a very important role in determining tone rules. There are a total of 10 high consonants. The characters below are the 10 high consonants: Ka, Kai, Cha, Ching, Ta, Tan, Ta, Tung, Pa, Pung, Fa, Fa, Sa, Sala, Sa, Rusi, Sa, Su, Ha, Heap. These are the 10 high consonants. Here, I'd like to introduce a sentence to help you memorize all the high consonants together. Pi, Faak, Toong, Kaao, Saan, Hai, Chiang. It is pronounced as Pi, Faak, Toong, Kaao, Saan, Hai, Chiang. It means a ghost leaves a bag of rice for me. It's a bit of a strange sentence. The key point here is that the beginning of each word starts with a high consonant. You don't need to memorize the meaning. For now, just try reading it out loud while focusing on the rhythm and the initial consonants. Now, let's look at the first half of the sentence to memorize. Pi, Faak, Toong. Pi means ghost, Faak means to entrust, and Toong means bag. In this way, the high consonants Fa, Fa, Ta, and Ta are naturally embedded in the sentence. You don't need to memorize all the meanings. The point is to focus on whether the initial consonant is a high consonant. Next is the second half. Kaao, Saan, Hai, Chiang. Kaao, Saan means rice, Hai means to give, and Chiang means me. Kaao, Saan, Hai, Chiang means give me rice. Here too, please pay attention to the fact that the initial consonants are high consonants. Let's focus on the sounds and letters rather than the meaning. Here are the Thai high consonants. There are a total of 10 high consonants: Ka, Kai, Cha, Ching, Ta, Tan, Ta, Tung, Pa, Pung, Fa, Fa, Sa, Sala, Sa, Rusi, Sa, Sua, and Ha, Heap. These consonants are very important for tone rules. First, let's make sure to memorize which characters are high consonants. Here are some tips for memorizing. First, let's memorize the sentence and the picture together. Next, it is important to read it out loud. It stays in your memory much better than just looking at it. And the most important thing is to focus on the initial consonant only, rather than the meaning. You don't need to understand the meaning perfectly. Please try saying it out loud many times while focusing on the initial consonant. Now let's try a quiz. Which of the following is a high consonant? First, number 1, which is the high consonant? Next, number 2, now which one here is the high consonant? Finally, number 3, all right, which is the high consonant? Please take a moment to think about it. Here are the answers. First, the high consonant in this group is Kaw Kai. Second, the high consonant is Paw Poong. Third, the high consonant is Saw Sua. To summarize, there are a total of 10 high consonants. The sentence to memorize is Pi Faak Toong Kaao Saan Hai Chan. By memorizing this sentence, you can learn all the high consonants at once. High consonants are very important for understanding tone rolls, so please use this sentence to memorize them effectively. Thank you very much for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.